Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to create a new document on Google Docs. So first you need to open your Google Drive and log into your account. Then click the plus sign at the bottom right corner and click Google Docs. In this section, you can now create a new document. So just type whatever you want or whatever you need. Then after that, just check it. So after you done making your documents, just go back and refresh it and you can now see the untitled documents that you created on Google Docs. So that's how to create a new document on Google Docs. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.